Hey everybody, this is Leanna Martens, your best choice for Edmonton real estate. Today, I am going to take you on a tour of this $1.7 million Justin Gray custom infill home right behind me. In a very unique community called Windsor Park. So what makes Windsor Park so cool and quite desirable is it's located right on the river valley. If you enjoy any type of outdoor activities like cycling, running, it's very desirable. And it's actually right on the University of Alberta campus. So that makes it extremely desirable. So why don't I take you inside and let's go check out this $1.7 million custom infill home. Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming on that tour with me on that beautiful home in Windsor Park. So Windsor Park is one of Edmonton's most sought after communities, and anything that is on the river valley, which I think that you have learned right now, because of the accessibility to green space, peace, privacy, trees, nature, they tend to have good schools, they tend to have engaged community leagues, and they are prime real estate. So if you are wanting to know more about this home and this builder, make sure that you go into the description, and there's how you get a hold of me and my team is right in there, easy. And if you are wanting maybe to consider a relocation to Edmonton, make sure that you reach out in the exact same way So me and my team, we specialize in interprovincial relocations. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more property tours, and I will see you in the next video.